Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful interlock circle flower. For this, we are using different colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. To do this flower, you can use different color or same color. This flower is done using interlock circle pattern. It is very easy to do. We will do circles and join them together. Next, we will fold them to form like a flower. So now let's see how to do this beautiful interlock circle flower. Start with a slip knot. Do 12 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do 12 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After doing 12 chain, it looks like this. Next, we are going to do slip stitch in this last chain. Insert the hook in this loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So now we have formed a circle. Next we are going to work inside this circle. So do chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 acts as the first double crochet. So next we are going to do 23 double crochet inside this circle. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it as double crochet. Next stitch double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Likewise, you are going to do 23 double crochet inside this ring. This chain 3 acts as the first double crochet. So total you will be having 24 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. After doing 23 double crochet inside the ring, it looks like this. Next, you can finish it off by doing a slip stitch in this third chain. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. Next, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So now we have completed the first circle. So to do the next circle, take the next color, do a slip knot, do chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next, take the first circle, insert it inside the circle and we will do a slip stitch. Next, we are going to follow the same pattern what we did for the first circle. That is, we will be doing 3 chain. 1, 2, 3 and then 23 double crochet inside this ring. Total you will be having 24 double crochet. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, you can do a slip stitch in this third chain. Chain 1 and snip off this yarn. So this is how the interlock circle looks. For next circle, we have to follow the same pattern what we did for this orange until the required length you want. To do next interlock circle, take the next color and do a slip knot. Do chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And insert it like this. And do a slip stitch in this last stitch. Do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And do 23 double crochet inside this circle. 1, 2, and finish it off by doing a slip stitch in this third chain. After doing them, it looks like this. Extend the yarn little bit for weaving and snip off this yarn. It looks like this. As this number of circle increases, the rose flower looks big. So now let's see how to do this rose flower. So we'll take it and we'll start folding it like this. This is how the interlock circle flower looks. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.